Hey guys, I'm back in the kitchen and today I'll be making some roasted carrot soup. I'm gonna need some carrots that have been peeled and cut in halves, some olive oil and also a Pyrex dish or any kind of other dish to roast your carrots. I'm going to generously grease my Pyrex dish with my olive oil, then add my carrots, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil again on top of the carrots. I'm just gonna season my carrots with some salt and some black pepper. And then I'm going to roast my carrots inside of the oven for 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. So while my carrots are cooking in the oven, I am going to make some vegetable stock, and I'm going to need 2 vegetable stock cubes and some water. Added my stock cubes and my water. Whisk everything up. So my carrots are done roasting in the oven and they look so great. And now I just have to add in my vegetable stock inside of my carrots. I'm going to finally blend everything up using my hand blender. So my soup is ready and now it's time for me to dish it out and give it a taste. So I've got my spoon and it's time for me to taste what everything's like. Okay. Wow. This is good.